not during this time, but this is not the same procedure that's been done since about 2002, where people come to the office, fat is removed, and then the fat goes through a process in-house and is spun down, almost like a PRP that you do for blood. The fat is spun down and the stem cells are given back to the patient. So this is not what we're doing here. Nothing close to that, because when you put cells back into the same patient, sometimes those cells, stem cells, may be as old as the patient, or they're decades old, depending on, again, the age of the patient. Those stem cells, even though they're still stem cells, have been exposed to any kind of environmental issues that patient has been exposed to, if they're a smoker, they're a drinker, or any disease process. So we know that adult stem cells in that situation, they can still work, but they don't work as well. And I'm concerned about putting stem cells in a sick patient, their own stem cells back in. This process is different. Once we get fat out, this fat is cryo-shipped to the lab, and over a period of about 6 to 12 weeks, depending on the patient, we get brand new nascent stem cells, meaning stem cells as if the patient were themselves a newborn. So those cells are autologous, meaning that they are match the body, so they are of the body, but they've never been in the body. And those cells can be banked and can be replicated over and over and over again, which is very powerful when we're dealing with people that need multiple treatments. Now, this young lady is doing the procedure for her father, who is suffering from Parkinson's disease, who we're going to actually treat later today with some an off-the-shelf product that's also fat-derived stem cells. And then when her cells become available, then we'll start to treat him with her cells. So when you understand how this works, anyone that shares 50% of her DNA, that means her parents, her children, can also have access to her stem cells. So it's a very, very powerful thing to do. Okay, I think we're good.